Welcome back to Daily Drives, the channel where future machines, wild inventions, and next-level vehicles come to life every single day. If you love insane engineering, futuristic rides, and jaw-dropping new concepts, then you're in the right place. Make sure you're buckled in because today we're diving into one of the craziest touring machines of 2026, the Honda Goldwing GCT camper trike. Yes, you heard that right. Honda has taken long-distance comfort, mixed it with trike stability, and then added a full micro-camper lifestyle twist. And the result is something no one expected. The 2026 Honda Goldwing GCT camper trike is not just a touring motorcycle, not just a trike, and not just a camper. It's all three fused into a single futuristic beast built for riders who want freedom without limits. This machine immediately stands out with its wide, aggressive stance and aerodynamic body panels inspired by Honda's Grand Comfort touring design. You can instantly tell it's built for massive journeys, smooth, stable, and unbelievably comfortable. Underneath the sleek exterior lies Honda's iconic 1833C flat-six engine, tuned for the new GCT platform. It delivers a refined wave of torque, effortless highway power, and that signature Goldwing smoothness that touring riders love. But on this GCT camper trike, the engine feels even more confident because the extra rear axle support gives outstanding stability, especially when fully loaded for long adventures. Whether cruising at low speeds through mountain curves or pushing at highway speeds across open deserts, the power delivery feels steady, controlled, and ready for anything, but the real magic is in the camper transformation. Honda has engineered a compact but shockingly functional micro-camper module that blends seamlessly into the trike's rear design. At first glance, it looks like a stylish touring trunk, but once opened, it transforms into a tiny home setup built for solo or couple adventures. Inside the camper module, riders can set up a fold-out sleeping deck perfectly sized for overnight rest. The internal panels reveal small but smart storage compartments for essentials like tools, cooking gear, snacks, or clothing. Honda has even integrated a lightweight canopy system that creates a sheltered mini-camp outside the trike, making it easy to set up a relaxing spot anywhere, forest, lakeside, or even a desert roadside. One of the most impressive features of the GCT camper trike is the power management system. Honda added an advanced dual battery setup with solar assist charging. This means riders can charge devices, power small accessories, or even run low-voltage camp lighting without worrying about draining the main battery system. Imagine pulling off the road, unfolding your mini-camp setup, switching on soft LED ambient lighting, and simply enjoying your own private, mobile world, all powered by your machine. Comfort has always been the Goldwing signature. And Honda pushed it even further for 2026. The rider and passenger seats feel like luxury recliners, complete with built-in heating and cooling options for different seasons. The suspension has been redesigned with a new adaptive damping system, reading road conditions in real time to adjust for bumps, curves, and rough surfaces. Even the wind protection has been enhanced with an electronically adjustable windshield that creates a bubble of calm air. For long-distance comfort, tech lovers will appreciate the massive upgrade in onboard features. The 2026 GCT camper trike includes a next-gen infotainment system with a larger touch interface, wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, premium surround sound speakers, and advanced navigation built specifically for touring routes. The heads-up ride display gives real-time weather updates, elevation changes, and recommended rest points, perfect for cross-country adventures. Safety also gets serious attention. The trike includes Honda's newest stability assist, cornering ABS, traction logic, lane monitor alerts, and a parking assist mode that makes moving the large machine in tight spaces much easier. And with its three-wheel stance, the trike remains incredibly stable during sharp turns or sudden stops, giving riders confidence no matter where they travel. What really makes the 2026 Honda Goldwing GCT camper trike shocking is how well everything blends together. It doesn't feel like a motorcycle forced into being a camper. It feels like a purpose-built adventure machine, designed for people who want freedom without renting hotels. without planning everything in advance and without sacrificing comfort. Its touring elevated to its highest level, a luxurious ride, a stable trike, and a tiny mobile home all in one futuristic shape. Whether you dream of long solo trips, peaceful mountain escapes, cross-country rides with no schedule, or simply owning one of the most unique machines Honda has ever created, the GCT Camper Trike is made for dreamers who refuse to stop exploring. This is what motorcycle touring looks like in the future: bold, comfortable, smart, and ready for any journey. If you enjoyed discovering this insane 2026 Honda Goldwing GCT Camper Trike, make sure to subscribe to Daily Drives for more futuristic vehicles, wild inventions, and next-level machines. Hit the like button, drop your thoughts in the comments, and stay tuned because the future of transportation is getting crazier every single day. Thanks for watching Daily Drives, where the journey never ends.